and gentlemen from the flight deck, on behalf of Emirates Airline and the crew board, I would like to welcome you aboard our Airbus 380 flight number 127 to Vienna.
My name is Niveen Drouish. I'm from Egypt. My pleasure to be the captain of your flight today. With me on the flight deck, Senior First Officer عليا المهيري from the United Arab Emirates.
Runway 30 clear for takeoff, Emirates 127. Okay, we are cleared for takeoff. And flight 60 SRS auto thrust loop. Checked. Thrust set. Check.
V1.
Pleasure flying with you. Thank you very much. Merci, Habib.
Captain Naveen and I, we flew the 380 from Dubai to Vienna and back. Captain Naveen is a wonderful role model. She's an inspiration to all young pilots around the world, who has such a great attitude and such a wonderful perspective on things. To see her come every day to work with the same motivation like it was her first flight.
It was a pleasure flying with Alya. She has a positive and dedicated attitude. She knows her job very well. It makes me proud and excited to see Alya as an example of what a generation of female pilots can achieve.